In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Twilio Auth Token. Whether you're diving into app development or setting up a new communication feature, accessing your Auth Token is an essential step in the process. So let's get started by guiding you through each aspect of this task with confidence and clarity. First things first, before we delve into the Twilio console, you need to log into your account. For that, head over to console.twilio.com. If you're not sure about your login credentials, now would be a great time to ensure you have them at hand. Remember, keeping track of your credentials securely can save you from many hassles down the road. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard serves as your control hub within Twilio, providing a snapshot of your account information and other useful insights. Keep an eye out for the section labeled Account Info. It's here that you'll find the key details we are looking for today. Under Account Info, you will notice a few critical pieces of information. Your account SID, which stands for System Identification, will be prominently displayed in plain text. This SID uniquely identifies your Twilio account and can be considered analogous to a username. However, our primary focus is on the Auth token. Initially, you'll see that the Auth token is not immediately visible. This is a security measure by Twilio to ensure that sensitive information isn't exposed unjustly. To reveal your Auth token, look for a small eye